Today, we're going to show you how to set up and use the connected GPS feature on your vívosmart 4. To set up and use connected GPS, you will need your vívosmart 4 and your smartphone. We will first want to make sure that your watch and Garmin Connect app are up to date. Your watch will need to be running software version 4.0 or newer. To check the software version on your vívosmart, double-tap the screen to wake up the watch. Press the Action key, then scroll through and select the gear icon. Then scroll and select the information icon. Touch Software to view the software version on your watch. If you do not see version 4.0 or newer, you can use Garmin Express on your computer to quickly update your watch, or it will automatically update when connected to your phone. You can confirm that your Garmin Connect app is up to date by visiting the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. You can check to see if there is an update available for the Garmin Connect app. If so, select Update. The first time that you set up connected GPS, you will want to ensure that you have enabled location access in the Garmin Connect app. On iPhone, you can do this by going into the More menu in the lower right. Touch Settings. Touch App Permissions and check to see if location permission is off. If it is, touch Manage. The iPhone settings for the Garmin Connect app appear. Touch Location and then select Always. On Android, access the Apps menu by touching on the icon in the upper left. Select Settings, then App Permissions. Check to see if location permission is off. If it is, touch Manage. The Android settings for the Garmin Connect app will appear. Click Permissions and ensure that Location is listed. If not, click on it and toggle on Location Permission. Now that you've got permissions taken care of, it will be easy to use the connected GPS feature on the vívosmart 4. Each time you use the connected GPS feature, remember the following. Bluetooth must be turned on for both the phone and watch. Your phone's GPS should be on. You should be outside with a clear view of the sky. The feature will not work indoors. Your phone must be with you, in your pocket or in your hands during the activity in order to have a continuous Bluetooth connection. The Garmin Connect app must be running. Your phone's screen can be off, however. Once you're outside and ready to go, press the menu button on the watch. Select either walk, run, or bike as your timed activity. A screen will pop up asking if you want to use your phone's GPS. Hit the check button. Then your watch and phone will begin to communicate. After a few moments, a check mark will appear. When the timer page appears, double-tap the display to start the activity. Begin your activity as usual, ensuring your phone stays with you the entire time. When you're done, double-tap the display to stop the activity. Then hit the Save icon to save your activity. Once saved, the activity will be synced to your account automatically. Click on the activity to review your location, distance, pace, and other information. And that's it. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.